Oh, hi! Hello there, everyone. I just want to do a quick video on my hair. A lot of people have been asking on how I install my dreads. I use the Bobby Boss lock. I don't know what this is called. Post it up after I find out what it is. Um, but all you really need is a box braid, which I did right here. This crochet needle with the latch on there. Um, and some edge control. And this one right here is my favorite, Lene Lux. I love how it smells. Smells like almond. So what we're gonna do now is it's gonna be pretty hard to do this without a mirror. But let's go ahead and try. So we're gonna insert the latch, open, get the hook. There's a little hook here with hair. You're gonna attach it to the end, close the latch, and bring the hair through the braid. Open the latch. Make sure you still have that loop open. And you're going to take the braid and your dread, pull it through the loop, and secure very tightly. And then I like to wrap the braid in there. It takes a little while to do so. Like this was what took the longest yesterday because some of them were staying and some of them were not. Um, there's another method on YouTube that I saw that I tried where you reach for the braid through the dread. And honestly, I tried it yesterday and it was pretty catastrophic and I lost a couple of dreads to it where I had to start over. So it's not too much of my favorite, but I like to unravel the dread in its direction and kind of twist in my hair into it. Honestly, if you like color, it's cool and all, but if you have like black hair and a blonde dread, you got to make sure that you keep that hair hidden. And yeah, there it goes. I love it. Let's try it one more time. So we're going to open the hook, right? Let me move this over so y'all can see. Right there. We're going to get our dread. Make sure you put your finger through it like this. Ooh. Don't fuzz it too much either because then it'll be like a big knot. Open the latch. Put the latch through. Get the hair. Close the latch. Pull the hair through. Open it. Make sure you get that loop. Good grip on that loop. I like to close my eyes. I don't know why. I'm weird. Get that braid and that lock. And secure. Secure. And then we're going to start unraveling the dread a bit. And then adding. Unravel that dread and put your braid in the middle of it in those ends. And honestly, you don't really have to have like my hair is curly, right? But if you had straight silky hair, you would have to put that hair in I would say like when you box braid your hair, use lots of gel and edge control. And then when it's time for you to braid your hair, I would use a rubber band. But since my hair is a little bit of the same texture as this dread, um, it's an easy fix. So there it goes. And you can put your little jewels on. And yeah, I feel better now because I had way too much dreads on that side. So I'm pretty happy that I only have one now. So I feel kind of normal. It was getting a little bulky. I feel like it is a little bulky, but I like the fullness of the dreads, so I'm going to keep it for now. But these locks are so versatile. You can do so much. You can do updos with it. It's going to be hard to go back to regular hair, but I hope you guys try this out. And also, I'm going to now grease my scalp with the Lene Lux collection. I really like her stimulating growth oil because the point of these styles are to protect your actual hair, which is underneath, and you want to keep your hair moist and your scalp hydrated, because you don't want to take these off. And once you take these off, your hair is going to be dry and brittle, and that's not the point of this. You really want to keep your hair moist, your scalp not flaking, which is what I have a problem with. I was so worried about using this because, well, not using this, but I have psoriasis. So I wanted to make sure that the oil was going to be something that really penetrated my scalp, and it is. It's got peppermint oil, and I absolutely love it. So if you're into like natural oils and a really good edge control, I really like the Lene Lux. And with this style, you can do a lot of baby hair action going on. So that'll be another video. But thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you later.